Hello everyone, welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I am Angela, and again in today's video I will be making another pearl design painting, and I will be using just a couple of paint colors. Here I have blue green by Liquitex Basics, and I've already pre-mixed it, and I will use that with this bright blue. It's actually ultramarine blue by Arteza, and I'll throw in some metallic gold by Decoart. So let's try those three paint colors and we'll see what kind of results we get. So, I hope that your day is going well. It's actually night here where I am, and yeah, it's open now. So let's basically just go ahead, and I've already put the white on there, and pour the blue, I'll pour the blue green, more green than blue, and then we'll put this gold around. We don't want to lay it on the blue because again this gold has it has the what are they called, ingredients for like making pearls, so we don't want to mix it with any other color. I mean, lay it on top. It can be on the bottom of other colors, but not on top. And you see why once we pour it. I think that is enough paint. We don't want to pour too much of it. Okay, so we'll put a little bit of the white around just to make it flow better. And then we will just tilt it and see what type of design we'll get here. This type of technique, you just pour your paint, tilt it, and let the paint do its work. It's not something that you can control. You can kind of have an idea of what type of design you want, but that's not gonna happen. I mean, you let it do its thing. As long as you tilt it all the way out, all of it out, and then come back. Sometimes you get pearls, sometimes you don't. But as long as you tilt all the paint out, stretch it all of it out, make sure it covers the white, and then come back. And in this case, it looks like we are not going to get any pearls, which is fine. Sometimes you don't need to have all these pearls all over the place. This looks really nice. I think they look really nice. So you just let it sit. You get pearls, sometimes you don't, like I said. Just let it sit and simmer. And sometimes when you have gold on this pro activating paint with the satin enamels, it does the gold, the satin enamels do not come up through the gold. That's why I was saying that we shouldn't put gold on top of any of these paint. But this is a good design. You know, I'm happy with it. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. It's a nice small painting that anyone can hang and anywhere. Put a frame on it and hang it in the bathroom or living room or anywhere, bedroom. So it's pretty nice design. You can see the pros were starting to come up here, but yeah, that's nice. There's one big pro right there, really big. And again, sometimes if you do, what I will probably end up doing with this one is I will either change it to a landscape, you know, make a landscape design, or just embellish it with more pearls. That way it looks a little bit more defined. But I like this right here. It looks like some cloud or some you know, darker clouds here. I can I'm sure I can come up with a design to make it either cloudy or like a lake there, or a river, or something, some landscape or seascape. We'll see what happens. But I do like it the way it is anyway. I might just end up leaving it like this. Okay, so thank you for watching, and thank you for being here with me. I appreciate your presence, and I will see you on the next video. All right. God bless. Bye.